It's important to know that arguments as a result of misunderstanding between two people, it could also be because of differences in perspectives, preferences, and prejudices. And it is normal, right? Normal in the sense that as couples, as spouses, you would have these differences every now and then, and you would have to argue about it. And this is because spouses are two grown adults. What is normal can be healthy and it can be unhealthy. It is healthy when this continuous communication is done with respect, when there's the desire to understand each other's perspective and there's no goal for one person to win the argument. And they do all of this so that they are able to reach a compromise for each other. But if the communication is plagued with stonewalling, one person's voice dominating the other person's voice, a situation where we're bringing up past issues, blame game, and overgeneralizing the situation, then it has become unhealthy.